he said that he knows one girl that got back with her ex after she posted up on social media that her ex beat her up. This is what I'm talking about. So there's a chick that's got her ass beat. She's been broke up, mashed up by her ex. Now, who's to say that her dad or uncle didn't go around there and do something to the youth, or at least wanted to do something to the youth? But you know what? It's better that they didn't do something to the youth. Because whether they mashed up and brocked up this youth or not, she still got back with him. Don't think for 1 minute, yeah? If a girl gets touched up by a man and then the dad or the uncle goes and brocks up the youth, that's not going to stop her from getting back with him. No way. They don't think like that. They don't think to themselves, you know what, yeah? For the principle of my dad and my uncles and my brothers and that, going down there and fixing this youth, let me stay away from it. They don't think like that. And I am not risking my freedom for nobody who might just allow someone to sweet talk them and say sorry or let enough time lapse and just forgive them. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Your ass get beat by your boyfriend and your ass get beat by your boyfriend. It's simple as that.